We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at studio apartment 6I. Let's go on in. In this apartment, the kitchen is on our left-hand side. That will be the same for all of the I apartments and the K apartment. So if the apartment letter is I or K, it will be the same layout with the kitchen on the left. The kitchen will have that refrigerator, sink, microwave, electric stove, and oven. Our bathroom will be across on the right-hand side. The bathroom will be the same in all the units. It will be that standing tub shower, the vanity, and a toilet, and there's also a cabinet on the wall. As we go into the apartment, it's the same shape no matter what floor or apartment we're in. The differences will be what you see out the window. So the furniture will be the bookshelf, desk and chair, the dresser is placed over along the wall, the full-size bed. We'll peek in the closet quickly. Just a regular closet, some storage space for you. And so again, the main differences will be the window and your view. So here on floor 6, we have a window unit air conditioner. You can see that on the left-hand side. And we can see our view out the window. So we're facing to the west. So you can see to the left, that's south. We've got the beautiful valley views. So it's really pretty. You can get some nice afternoon sun here. It's nice, especially in the fall with different leaves. So everything is a beautiful view up here on floor 6 in this 9-floor building here at Collegetown Plaza. Laundry's on floor 5. The entrance is on floor 4. You can watch the Collegetown Plaza overview video to see how the building is set up and is put together. But that's another example of a studio here in this building. We're located at 111 Dryden Road, and we're just 1 block from campus.